Understanding loss of energy, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, loss of energy. This is a common term in English, used in various contexts. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and look at some examples to help you understand how to use it in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Loss of energy refers to a decrease in physical or mental strength. It's often used to describe a feeling of tiredness or exhaustion. This can be due to a range of factors like lack of sleep, intense physical activity, stress, or health issues. Understanding this phrase is crucial as it is widely used in everyday language to express a common human experience. In this section, we'll explore how loss of energy is used in different contexts. For instance, 1. Health and wellness. After running the marathon, I experienced a significant loss of energy. 2. Workplace. Continuous overtime work led to a loss of energy among the employees. 3. Emotional states. Feeling sad or depressed can often lead to a loss of energy. By understanding these contexts, you'll be able to recognize and use the phrase accurately in your conversations. It's important to differentiate loss of energy from similar terms like fatigue or burnout. While they are related, there are subtle differences in their usage. Fatigue is often more temporary and directly related to physical or mental exertion, while burnout is a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by excessive and prolonged stress. That's all for today. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, loss of energy. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that can be used in various contexts to describe a decrease in physical or mental strength. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.